Center cut pork chops brushed with extra virgin olive oil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, grilled, cross-hatching, then a lemon chive vinaigrette. You think that looks good? Make sure to watch this video right to the very end because we have a very special little finishing touch. Our easy grilled pork chops sure are easy, but they're so tasty too. 4 things will ensure your complete success. Let's jump right into it. Let me show you. Number 1, the cut of pork. We're doing center cut pork chops. These are 12-ounce chops. The T-bone is running down the center, lighter loin on one side, the darker tenderloin on the other. These chops will cook up perfectly, always tender, always juicy, and they have that really nice balance, a little bit of fat for flavor, but there's no gristle. You are going to love them. Second thing to ensure success is about easy prep. Getting them ready for the grill, we're gonna brush them with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, a sprinkle of kosher salt, a sprinkle of black pepper. Wait a second, make sure to flip them and repeat on the flip side. Good news, you will see me cook these chops today using a gas grill, but you can also do the recipe using a charcoal grill. Your choice, up to you. Third thing to think about is heat. We're turning the burners on the left side of the barbecue onto high. The far right burner is set to a lower, more moderate heat. Overall, the grill needs to be at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. While the grill is coming to temperature, I know, great idea, let's make a zippy vinaigrette. Small bowl, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the juice from half a lemon, whisk those ingredients together, then fresh herbs. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chives today, but you can also try the recipe with other herbs. Set that vinaigrette to the side. Last thing, and this will make this recipe work perfectly every time, it's about direct and indirect grilling. Watch this. Place the chops down on the hot side of the grill. They're gonna cook over the direct heat for 2 minutes. Flip and cook for an additional 2 minutes. So this very hot start to the grilling process does 2 things. It sears the meat and it also locks in the juices. Once you've done this very hot direct heat, it's time to go back to the grill and continue. Now we're gonna flip the chops again, but this time we're flipping them over to the cooler side of the barbecue where the indirect heat is. Line up those grill marks. You want a cross-hatch pattern. We're gonna cook for 3 minutes. So now the chops continue to cook over indirect heat. The inside of the barbecue is still 500 degrees, but cooking it this way ensures there's no burning or flare-ups. We like that. After 3 minutes, we're gonna flip them again. Look at those diamond-shaped crosshatch marks. Yay! We're gonna cook for an additional 3 minutes. Now it's time to check the doneness of the pork chops. You can be like a professional chef and kind of press down into them. If it's still very soft, the pork chops are raw. If it's a bit more firm, they're probably done. Best thing though is to insert a probe thermometer. Your goal, 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius. When your chops are done, we're bringing them to the work surface. Now we're adding that zippy chive lemon vinaigrette, about half the quantity. We're then gonna cover the platter with foil. Let your chops rest for 5 minutes. This ensures a juicy, tender chop. We are ready to serve. Check this out. We can add a favorite salad, potatoes, but then spoon the last little bit of vinaigrette. Plus, how about a spoonful of tangy mango salsa? No, seriously friends, this is off the charts delicious. We posted a 30-second Insta reel on how to make that tangy salsa, but you'll find the full recipe for it along with the recipe for these pork chops up at weekendatthecottage.com. Our request, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, drop us comments, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and then finally take a picture of your delicious pork chops when you make them. Post them using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials. These easy grilled pork chops are so fantastic. We know you are going to enjoy them as much as we do. Look at this, tender, juicy, and so easy to make. Wow. Oh, yummy. Are they ever?